Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Tuesday, March the 15th, 2022. No, it's the additional of a while ago, Friday, March the 4th, 2022, because we have a couple days in a row with no extra puzzles. So the last one I can find is March the 4th. Yeah. And this tectonic will be number 4262. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because for one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Let me see. Single box. I see here single box, always a 1. There, single box, always a 1. Following question, the dual boxes. I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those two boxes. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order. Alright, only 2 dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here in this puzzle? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. All right. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. But also, that box has always the same number as this box. So that box has always the same number as this box. So here, the first box, in this case, it's a 1. Okay, it's a 1. Do we have more T shapes here in this puzzle? No. I can see only one Z construction or Z shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. Z construction. When you see the Z construction, or S, if you flip this or mirror this figure, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright, here, no, this is the other shape. Then, I believe there are 2 shapes left. 2 shapes, yeah. No, 3 shapes. 3 shapes are left. Okay, well, when you see this kind of shape, alright, the shape When you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box is always the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah. Here, rotate it upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. Okay. This box has always the same number as that box. If you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. And then the last shape of this puzzle, the L shape. The L shape, rotate it here. Alright. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. We have more of the L shapes here. Upside down. No. Rotate it. So this box has always the same number as that box. This L shape here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 6. All of them in this puzzle. 6 of those figures. Complete. Yeah. Not 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, but all of them 6 different shapes. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Well, this box cannot be a 1. That box can also not be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then. How about let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Okay. Right, I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, cannot be a 4, yes, definitely a 5. 1 number left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 2. Then. Yeah. Let me see. How about These two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and a 5. Okay, that means that this box cannot be 4 or a 5. If I place a 4 here or a 5 here, I cannot fill any 4 or any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this L shape for number 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. Okay. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Oh, no. I'm missing something. 4 and a 5. Wrong conclusion. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be. Well, let me continue. It can be, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, so it's 4 or 5. But this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 there, so it can be 4, should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. 1 box left in this L shape for number 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. In this area we have 2 boxes left. This box should be also 2 or a 3. Okay. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Come on. It's taking too long. Well, 1, 4, 5. 2 or 3, 2 and 3, 2. Well, this box can be 1 or a 2. The 2 cannot be here. Same for here. The 2 can also not be there, because it's connected. Same for here. Cannot be a 2. So it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 4, can it be 5. So 1 digit left should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. And a double 3 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And the last 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. A little bit slower than I expected. But I'm very well pleased with the time, because maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Well, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. All those playlists you can find in my channel. Just subscribe and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care and stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.